Mm. 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 Hi guys, hope all is well, and if not all, most things are. Thank you for joining me on yet another one of my delicious dishes video. Today I'm going to be making a burger. Yes, a burger. Some people call it chicken patties. I'm just calling it a burger because that's what it is to me. So, as you can see right here, I have my buns right here. I have a bag of rotisserie chicken. Do you understand it? Barbecue, seasoning, rotisserie chicken. So you're probably wondering, rotisserie chicken, burger, they don't match. You will see in a minute. So let me put this back right here. So right here I have mayo, yellow mustard, and I have my salad and my romaine lettuce. And right here I have a lovely bowl of fries. Look at these fries, guys. Ooh, just imagine when these are crispy golden brown and I'm biting on them. Ooh. Put the fun aside. Let's get to this. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using piece of the chicken breast from the rotisserie chicken. I'm going to, you know what? Let me stop talk. Just watch and see what's going on. Okay, so right here you see I have my rotisserie chicken. So I'm just going to cut the breast off because that's the part I'm going to be using to make my burger. So here you can see I have my chicken breast that I cut from the rotisserie chicken. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm just going to be adding a egg to it, and then I'm going to just stir this up. Beautiful, lovely, beautiful. Look at that. So now I'm going to add some Old Bay seasoning onto it. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just a little bit to enhance that flavor. You know, that should be good. So that is alright. Alright. So now I'm going to be adding some flour to that. I'm just going to use my hand and mix everything up together. Alright, so let's set this aside for a minute. Get me my skillet. That is good enough. So I'm just going to let this hot. So my oil is hot enough now. So let's just add my chicken. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these fry on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. You can see I already have my fries making already. Let's check and see what's going on. Perfect. lovely, guys, looking lovely. Okay, so now that my chicken is done, let's get them out. Lovely. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. So right now what I'm going to be doing now is I'm just going to be baking one side of my bun so it has that crispy. So I'm going to be making two. Put another right here. Beautiful, right guys? So while that is baking, let's get my salad and my lettuce cut to the size that I need. That is for one. And that is for the next one. So let's let this sit right here until my bun is ready. And as I show you before, my fries are ready. So okay, let me look at my buns now to see what's going on. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You see this? This is what I'm talking about. Right here, guys, as you see, I already start one of the burger. So I'm just gonna be adding some cheese on it now. And then I add my lettuce on it. And then I add my bun. So let's do the next one now. As you can see, it already has it mayo and everything on it. So let me just put this right here. On this side, I'm just gonna put some yellow mustard, not a lot. I'm just gonna spread this. It's gonna be having that one, do not eat lettuce. So that's why there is not any on it. So let me just place a salad right there, or tomato. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Tomato is the same thing. And just cut me another slice. And then I add the next piece right there. Look at that, guys. Lovely, right? Beautiful, beautiful. So let's see what's going on. This. Ooh, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Let's top it off now with. Guys, that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dish. Look at that. Ooh. I know you wish you be having some of this right now. Ooh, beautiful, guys, beautiful. So let me take piece. Thank you guys for watching. I'm about to go and have a meeting with this burger. I'll see you on another video. Love and respect. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm out.